Hello everyone, this video is for class 12th yoga students and we are going to discuss important MCQs from unit 2 and 3. So let's start with the first one. A dash diet is the one which contain all the elements of food that are needed to keep one healthy. So it is very easy question and its answer is balanced diet. Next, in which two parts a balanced diet can be divided into? Again, an easy one. Its answer is macronutrients and micronutrients. Next, third one, dash cover principally three components which are carbohydrates, fats and proteins. So ये तीनों components किस में होते हैं? Answer is macronutrients. If you have read the study material for yoga which is given by CBSE तो ये easily आपसे MCQs solve हो जाएंगे और इनकी PDF you will find in description box and for the solution you can watch this video. Next, which of the following statement is true about micronutrients? It comprises of vitamins and minerals. So this is correct. They maintain tissues and regulate functions of the body. This is also correct statement. They also enhance utilization of carbohydrates, proteins and fats by the body. So this is also correct statement. So these all three are correct. So answer will be all of the above. Next, Srimad Bhagavad Gita classifies dash types of yogic diet. So its answer is three types of yogic diet. Next, the ancient yogis have characterized ahar into three qualities. Which of the following is not a quality? So sattvic is a quality of food and then rasic is also there, tamasic is also there, but manasik ऐसी कोई quality नहीं है. So this fourth one is the correct option here. Next is dash diet relates to expansion of lifespan, mental essence, quality, well-being and charm that are tasty, unctuous. Unctuous means which are buttery, means जो greasy tasty food होते हैं, stable and fulfilling to the heart are the nourishments that are favored by sattvic. So which type of diet is it? It is sattvic diet. Next is which of the following statement is not true about sattvic diet? It is also mentioned as yogic diet. This is correct one. It is considered as condition in which food occurs naturally and liberated from any added substances of or preservatives. This is also correct. Next option. It is sattvic diet includes tea and coffee, overprocessed artificial added substances in food. So this is wrong about sattvic diet that it does not contain tea and coffee or overprocessed food. So option C will be the correct option here. Now next, ninth one, special practices. We have to match the following. So special practices is योग निद्रा is a special practices. So one will be ई. सो यहाँ पे एक ही ऑप्शन है जिसमें वन का ई आंसर है और टू का लेट्स सी योगासना. येस, योगासना में अगर हम बाकी सारे देखेंगे तो गौमुख आसना इज अ योगासन. सो टू का ए. सो रेस्ट विल ऑल्सो बी करेक्ट. सो ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट, हॉट चिली और एनीथिंग दैट कैन aggravate the mucous membranes, garlic, onion, mushrooms. Which of the following diets include these? So out of these options, Rajasic diet will be the correct option. Next, not completely cooked, flavorless, smelly, extra food by others, not fit as a contribution to health is known as, that is, tamasic food. सो बेसिकली ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है जो ये डाइट है और ये राजसिक, तामसिक, सात्विक, ये सारी डाइट्स आपको पता होनी चाहिए. इनके बारे में सारे पॉइंट्स अच्छे से पता होने चाहिए क्योंकि इनसे जो है MCQs आपके आते ही आते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग हेल्प्स टू मेंटेन द पीनियल ग्लैंड and beneficial for learning, retaining information and memory. So first one is Surya Namaskar. This is also beneficial. Tratak is also beneficial. Pranayam is also beneficial. So all of the above will be the correct answer. Next, various yogic scriptures identify food items to be as dash and dash food and forms of basis of yogic diet. So its answer is Patya and Apatya. Next, Patya food is also known as, it is known as wholesome food. Next is dash yoga is energetic and life-changing practice of asanas, pranayams, mudras, bandhas, nadanu-sandhan and shat kriyas. So its answer is Hatha yoga. Next is the word Hatha is made up of two words. So its answer is Ha and Tha. Next, what does ha means in Hatha Yoga? It is prana shakti. Next, what does tha means in Hatha Yoga? So its answer is Shakti of mind. Option B will be the correct option. Next, which of the following is good tool for conditioning of autonomic nervous system? So stretching exercises, it is good technique. Next is relaxation, this is also correct. Pranayams, this is also a correct option. So all of the above will be the correct option here. Next, 20th question, which of the following is an important tool for social development? Yama, niyama, pratyahar, and all of the above. So these all are important tool for social development. So all of the above will be the correct option. Next, which of the following is not a yogic management of obesity? Surya Namaskar, this is a yogic management of obesity. Then Yogasana, this is also correct for this disease, obesity. Shodhan Kriya, ये भी helpful होता है in obesity. So none of the above will be the correct option here. Next is, which of the following is not correct statement about obesity? It is a condition in which excess body fat accumulates to such an extent that health may be affected. तो ये तो correct है. It is defined as a body mass index of 30 kg per meter square or higher. So this is also correct statement about obesity. Next, it is an increase of body adipose tissue mass. So this is correct. Next, sedentary lifestyle has no significant role in obesity. So this is a wrong statement. So this option D will be the correct option here. Sedentary lifestyle in which people are not physically active. Next, question number 23. Dash involves focusing the mind on a single object of concentration for longer periods of time. So it is dharana. Next, when there is an uninterrupted flow of the mind towards the object of focus, the yogi enters the state of ध्याना. So all these are important topics. आपको पता होना चाहिए ध्यान क्या है, धारणा क्या है, समाधि क्या है, प्राणायाम क्या है, so that you can answer easily these MCQs which are from this topic. Next question. Finally, when even the self-awareness of the mind disappears and only the object of meditation shines through, it is called state of samadhi. Next, which of the following path is practiced to achieve the true knowledge about self? So which one is correct? यहाँ पे ये types of yoga है. So this is also an important topic जहाँ से MCQs आपके बन सकते हैं. Now the options are Bhakti Yoga, Karma Yoga, Jnana Yoga and Hatha Yoga. So option C is the correct option. Which of the following involves continuous and loving remembrance of God? So यहाँ पे remembrance of God है. So its answer will be Bhakti Yoga. Next, which of the following is highlighted by many as the ideal path for self-realization? So Karma Yoga is the correct option here. Next is, which of the following pranayama is not recommended for arthritis? So when we will see this option, so Sheetkari is a pranayama which is not recommended for arthritis. Next is dash means union of pranic force and mental force. So if you will see the option, so Hatha Yoga is the correct option here. Now next question is CAB means, so if you will see the options, chest compression, airway, breathing. So this first one is only the correct one, chest compression, then airway and breathing. Next one, which of the following is practiced in prone line? So now we will see the options. So Salbhasana is the correct option here. Now next one, which is not a supine line asana. So if we will see the options, then this Salbhasana is the correct option here. This is again a very important topic कि आपको पता होना चाहिए different type के asanas और उनके examples, वहाँ से भी MCQs आपके बन सकते हैं. Next is dash leads towards awareness of entire structure of one's personality involving physical, mental, emotional and spiritual aspects. Now when we will see the option, so Swadhyay is the correct option here. Next is dash signifies placing or combining the consciousness completely in inner awareness. Its answer is Ishwar Pranidhana. Next is dash enables the individual to control the urge for materialistic and physical pleasures and thus help in attainment of the goal. So its answer is tapas. So ये भी important topics है, tapas and then Swadhyay, Ishwar Pranidhana. Now next one is when the nerve roots become compressed or irritated dash results. So इनकी वजह से क्या होता है? बैक पेन. Next one, which of the following is mainly helpful in increasing anamaya kosha? So first one, asana is helpful in increasing anamaya kosha. Next is good intellect, intuition, wisdom, higher knowledge and psychic abilities शाइन आउट फ्रॉम. सो डिफरेंट कोशाज आर गिवन हेयर और ये सारे कोशा जो टॉपिक है कोशा और डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ कोशाज ये सारे आपको पता होने चाहिए, ये इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक है. सो इट्स आंसर इज आनंदमय कोशा. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट अ सिम्टम ऑफ सिटा विक्षेपा? सो इट्स आंसर इज क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट्स. यहाँ पे जो शीटा विक्षेपा है इसका मतलब होता है डिस्ट्रैक्टेड माइंड. सो डिस्ट्रैक्टेड माइंड के कौन से इनमें से सिम्टम्स नहीं है? ऑब्वियसली क्लैरिटी ऑफ थॉट्स जो है वो इसका सिम्टम नहीं है. नेक्स्ट, धारणा, ध्याना एंड समाधि कंस्टिट्यूट टू फॉर्म एज विच टाइप ऑफ योगा फ्रॉम हेयर? सो अंतरंगा इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन हेयर. यम, नियम, आसना, प्राणायामा, प्रत्याहारा constitute which type of yoga here? Its answer is bahiranga yoga. Next is ahimsa, satya, asteya, brahmacharya and aparigraha. These all are yamas. Next is sauch, santosh, tapas, swadhyay and ishwar pranidhana are niyams. Next, bronchial asthma is the disease of dash system. Its answer is respiratory system. Next, bread stress causes. So obviously it causes anxiety, sleeplessness, frustration. So all of the above is the correct option. Which of these is meditative asana? If we will see the options, so यहाँ पे पद्मासना जो है meditation के लिए use होता है, so it is meditative asana. Next is dash is a machine that is used for electric shock in case of cardiac arrest. So AED is the correct answer. It is a machine which is used for electric shock. Next, AED stands for. So 4 options are given here. You have to identify the correct full form of AED. So the first option, automated external defibrillator, is the correct option here. It is the correct answer. Next, last MCQ is ABCD point may be noted in the patient during such emergency. What does ABCD stands for? So let's see all the options first and then you will find that option A is the correct option. A means airways, B is for breathing, then circulation and disability. So this was the last MCQ of this video. I hope ये सारे MCQs आपके लिए helpful रहेंगे for your exam. एंड इफ़ यू फाइंड इट हेल्पफुल तो इसको लाइक करिएगा, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर भी करिएगा एंड चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिएगा फॉर मोर सच वीडियोस. एंड प्लीज़ कमेंट करके बताइएगा कि क्या आपको ऐसे ही और वीडियोस चाहिए, ऐसे MCQs एंड जो भी आपके सब्जेक्टिव टाइप क्वेश्चंस हैं या फिर प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस का भी सोल्यूशन, प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन पेपर का भी सोल्यूशन अगर आपको चाहिए तो आप कमेंट में जो है बता सकते हैं. एंड थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.